I think it should go without saying that you can't collect Social Security if you are dead. The way Social Security works is you have to be, if I'm going to get payment for the month of February, I have to be alive all of February, and they'll pay me in March for February. So it's always a month after. So if I died on the last day of the month in February, the payment already went through. Your family is going to have to pay it back because I wasn't alive for that whole month. So that hits a lot of families when they feel like that's kind of insulting, and they're dealing with the death and now they got to pay it back because they died on the last day of the month. That's just how Social Security works. But there are people, and I'm sure you've heard stories, that grandma dies and they just don't tell anybody. They don't go to the funeral home. They don't tell the neighbors. They don't tell anybody, and they continue to collect those Social Security checks. And that's always been, stories floating out there. Well, this one was from 2014, but there was one recently that just happened this year where the same thing, where his mom died and he just didn't tell anybody, just put her in a freezer, and he just kept collecting those checks for years. This one collected them for 20 years. The other one collected them for 30 years. Now, Social Security is kind of onto that, right? So they have something that they do once you reach 90, which is called proof of life, where they want to know that you are alive, that your family isn't just scamming the system here. So when they tried to do proof of life on this lady, that's how they caught this recent guy. This is just a movie trailer, but it says proof of life. That they want to say, hey, you need to go into your local Social Security office. We need to prove that you are alive. This one, the guy is going to prison and he's got to pay it back. I mean, the government might be slow, but they'll eventually get you. But yeah, you got to be alive if you want to get your Social Security. You want more information about retirement, go check out our website, themedicarefamily.com. There's a lot of great retirement guides there. There's my great Social Security and Medicare cheat sheet that will get you ready for retirement. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.